Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Person's Chiropractor, and today I am going to be sharing some information about a product that can be really helpful along the healing journey, specifically after we've had more of an acute injury. So, an acute injury, think we rolled our ankle, we did something to our back, or we strained our neck, something like that. So, the product that I want to feature today is called Ligaplex, and it's from Standard Process. So reason I like Standard Process is everything is from whole food sources and they test everything so it has really good quality. So they stand behind what they say is in the product, how much is there, and then the things that are not in there are really important as well. And they have really good processes for that. So why would you use Ligaplex I? So if we had one of those injuries like rolling your ankle or straightening your back, we have a lot of inflammation going on in the joint, the ligament, the muscles, and what we call connective tissue. So connective tissue is the tissue that connects all of the different parts of the body, and it's actually what your joints and muscles and ligaments are made from. It's a type of connective tissue. So it's really helpful for synthesizing new tissue to help heal and repairing damaged tissue. It also has a lot of good vitamins and minerals that help to get more nutrition, so more hydration into the joint and into those areas, and can just speed up that natural healing process. Hope you found this helpful. Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Person's Chiropractor.